home to make this short and sweet. Now, what is wrong with you people? Stop! Okay. One at a time, alphabetically. First is Miss Alvinson.
I was last minute shopping in my favorite store when they ran out of Barney's and refused to get more. So I pleaded and cried and I screamed, and now my throat is sore.
She's got those Christmas season, Christmas season blues.
Yes, it's a little of that going around. Next up is Miss Griswold.
I was up on the rooftop, swinging lights outside. Got a 40,000 watt neon Santa Claus with the fluorescent sleigh by his side. But my kid went through the switch early. Now my hair is fried. Oh, I got those Christmas season, Christmas season blues.
So you want public utilities, one floor up. All right, everyone else, fill it!
We took our kids to see Santa at the mall. We stood outside in line till 3. It started snowing, and the next thing we recall, they sneezed on us, they sneezed on us.
And everyone sneezed on me!
That's the Christmas spirit. Share it. Hope you're all in a group insurance plan. Got an HMO, Santa?
Excuse me, we're from First Community Church and we have a service tonight and we're
Look.
kind of on a tight schedule.
Look, Santa here is on a tight schedule. Now, what's wrong with everybody?
It started in the choir.
We started to carol from home to home. But silent night grew squeaky and decked the halls with drone.
Then Bill became a soprano and Joyce a baritone.
We got those Christmas season, Christmas season blues.
And they had this little nativity set on the front lawn until everyone got frostbite.
Found out how wool is the shepherds their bronchial distress. And the king keeps his NyQuil inside that little gold chest. Hey, it's 7 below, so why am I staying on a roof?
We got those Christmas season, Christmas season blues.
All right, that's everybody.
No way, you gotta help me, I'm desperate. I keep having migraines and my blood pressure sore. My general health has declined. I got highs and shakes and tummy aches, and my illness by the score. I'm losing hair, I'm losing weight, and I'm slowly losing my mind. Can't you help me?
Gracious, so it's terrible. How long have you been a member of this church?
Member, I'm the pastor.
We're living on Tristan, we got stockings to the bed. We got cotton stuffed up our noses and buffers stuck in our head. Our lips are blue, our faces are white, achoo! Our noses are red. We got those Christmas seasons, we got those awful weekends, we got those Christmas